Hi, I'm Gary. I'm going to go through how we can install Bibliometrix and start using it for the first time. There are various steps we need to go through, which I'll show on my screen. So we first need to install R, then we install RStudio, then Rtools. We then install the Bibliometrix package in RStudio, and then we run Bibliometrix. So let me show you. First of all, to install R, we come to the RStudio website or the download website, and I will add the links into and the instructions into the description of this video. So we come to Posit to install RStudio, and the first thing it says is install R. So you'll just click download and install R, and quite simply select your operating system, such as download R for Windows, and I would just install the base. And for all the software we're installing, we're just going to accept the defaults. No need to change the defaults. So first install R. Okay, so we've installed R. Then we're going to install RStudio. So we come back to RStudio. We would download RStudio, install it, and again, just accept the defaults. Then we install Rtools. So you will come to the Rtools website. Again, this will be in the description. And download it and install it. Nice and easy. Then what we do is we're going to run RStudio. So in Windows, I'm just going to open up RStudio, and I'll just go back and we'll install Bibliometrix. So to install Bibliometrix is very simple. We click Tools, Install Packages, and I'm in RStudio at the moment. So Tools, Install Packages. Then we'll just type in Bibliometrix, and you'll see that it comes up. So we'll just click Bibliometrix and click Install and just accept the defaults. I've already installed, so I won't do it right now. But just make sure that Install Dependencies is active or selected. Let's go back to our instructions. So then in RStudio, we run that command and then that command. So back in RStudio, we're just going to run firstly, let's go to that command, library bibliometrix. That'll load up Bibliometrix. And we'll just wait a second. And it says to start with the biblioshiny app, please digit biblioshiny. So let me just enter that into the command prompt. Click enter. And biblioshiny will open up. Now in future, the only thing you need to do is open up RStudio. Because we've already installed RStudio and so on, you would open RStudio and just run library bibliometrix and then biblioshiny. So just looking at our instructions, you won't do steps 1, 2, and 3 in the future. Sorry, or 4. You will just do step 5 in the future if you want to run Bibliometrix. So now Bibliometrix would have opened in your browser. We want to start using Bibliometrix. Fortunately, Bibliometrix provides instructions on how we get the data or how we load up the data. So if we click Info and click Supported Files, you'll notice the databases supported within Bibliometrix are listed, Web of Science, Scopus, and so on. And then we export the data we want to analyze from these databases. So for example, in Scopus, and I will show you this, we would perform a search for the files or the data we want to analyze. We would then export as a BibTeX or CSV file, and we would export all data or all except cited references. Now, the recommended format is CSV, but I'll show you in BibTeX just to show you. So in Scopus, we've done our search. So we'll just export, and of course CSV was recommended, but I'm just going to demonstrate using BibTeX. And then we're just going to select all the data to export, and I'll select all the documents. So there were 69 in total. Select export. So it's exporting now to my computer. So what we do is we go into Bibliometrix to load up the data. We click Data, Import or Load. Then in this, please choose what to do. We click Import Raw File. In the database, we were using Scopus. And then choose a file. I click Browse. and I'll just select that exported file and click open, and my data will open up in Bibliometrix, and then we can use Bibliometrix to analyze that data. So I'll click start, and you'll notice the data are loaded. Please like this video, and thanks for joining me.